Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need Zotero and a compatible Word already installed. Once that's confirmed, close Word and open Zotero. In Zotero, go to the Preferences menu and choose the Site pane, then the Word Processors tab to trigger installation. You're doing this first because the plugin must write files into Word while Word is closed. Make sure you use the same Mac OS account for both apps, otherwise, permissions block the installer. After installation begins, wait for the confirmation message before opening Word again. Once you reopen Word, look for a Zotero tab or toolbar. That's the connector working. If you don't see it, switch back to Zotero and in Preferences, right arrow Site, right arrow Word Processors, click Install Microsoft Word plugin again to force write the add-in. Sometimes Word caches old add-ins, so save your documents, fully quit Word, and relaunch. If it still fails, log out of your Mac OS account or restart the machine. This clears locks and lets the plugin register with Word's extension system. Now insert a citation using the Zotero toolbar. Click Add/Edit Citation to search your library, insert, then use Add/Edit Bibliography to generate references. Make sure document preferences match the citation style you need. If citations fail or the toolbar disappears, reinstall the Word plugin from Zotero and verify Mac OS privacy and accessibility settings allow Zotero and Word to interact. Finally, keep Zotero updated. Once done, syncing and refreshing resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.